Let me show you how to install and use two WhatsApp accounts on your Google Pixel 10a. So first, simply go in your settings, swipe all the way down in the security and privacy. Click on the private space and enter the PIN code or whatever you have on your phone. And then let's set it up. Okay, essentially this is like a secure place where you can like clone apps and have multiple of them running. Okay, also you'll have to sign in with your Google account here. Okay, you can also use your current lock screen if you want, or set a new one. Okay, so and once done, I see once you scroll up, you have this new option here. So in your apps list, private. So unlock it first. Okay, and then I see you can actually, like for example, browse privately internet browser, take secret pictures that you do not want to be stored anywhere else, or also you can even add additional apps. So install apps and find the WhatsApp in your Play Store and install it. So I see, and if you scroll down, I see you have this like private WhatsApp account here. So this, for example, is my main WhatsApp that I use. If I open this, I see I can set up like a new WhatsApp here. So either like a new phone number or also link as companion device as well, if you want to. Okay, good luck.